to hide your follower list on Instagram while maintaining a public account? The straightforward answer is that it is currently not possible. The only way to conceal your follower list is by making your account private. However, there is a limited workaround that can be done manually. Start by opening the Instagram application and searching for the user you want to hide information from. Once you've found their profile, click on the three-dotted icon at the top right and select the Restrict option. This will prompt a confirmation to restrict the user. And once confirmed, only you and the restricted user will be able to see their new comments and other information. This method provides a degree of control over who can view certain aspects of your account, although it is not a comprehensive solution. By utilizing this workaround, you can achieve a measure of privacy while still maintaining a public account.